Welcome back to our channel, folks. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss that is crucial for every vehicle owner out there. We'll be diving into the fascinating world of engine cooling systems. So, buckle up and get ready to learn all about how these systems keep your engine running smoothly. Let's get started. Before we go any further, let's begin with the basics. An engine cooling system is a vital component of any vehicle, responsible for regulating the temperature of the engine. The engine produces an enormous amount of heat during combustion, and if left unchecked, it can lead to severe damage and even engine failure. Components of an engine cooling system. So, how does the engine cooling system actually work? Well, it's a complex process, but let's break it down. The coolant, a mixture of water and antifreeze, circulates through the engine, absorbing the excess heat. It then flows into the radiator, where it is cooled down by air passing through the fins. Tips for maintaining an engine cooling system. To keep your engine cooling system in top shape, regular maintenance is essential. Here are a few tips to help you out. First, check the coolant levels regularly and top them up as needed. Second, inspect the hoses, belts, and radiator for any signs of wear and tear.